Ed, given the levy only covers so much of the ballooning health costs, isn't it appropriate that those that can afford to contribute some more do so?
There are a whole bunch of people, Kieran, that won't benefit from that at all. And they're the people that we need to target right now to make sure that lifestyle doesn't catch up as a healthcare problem down the track. You know, a lot of doctors now spend time in terms of focusing on preventative health, and they need people to come in, and when they do make those appointments to see them, they can get a healthcare plan that will ensure that down the track they don't have a health condition, diabetes, obesity or heart disease, that costs us more to fix. Josh talked about healthcare costs. In the immediate term, the PBO has already said that there is not a crisis with healthcare costs in this country, that we're doing relatively well compared to others. What this assessment doesn't take into account is that if people don't present for healthcare now, what is the cost to us down the track of them avoiding seeing a doctor and having a healthcare problem that takes more to invest in later years. And bear in mind, this government has cut $50 billion in spending that was directed to healthcare and hospitals in this nation under the budget. So you have a double whammy. And what I also can't fathom is that the coalition, when we were in government, criticised us about the way we consulted with industry when we made decisions that impacted on industry. And you can go and hear them ad nauseum on what we did in terms of mining. How is it that they can affect the income of small businesses and doctors in this country in the way that they did yesterday, and without consultation, as the AMA has indicated, and do it in this way and not be held accountable for it? Frankly, this is a disgrace of what they've done to a small business constituency, what they've done to a sector, and their failure to consult. They should be condemned for it. And as I said, they scraped off a barnacle and they jabbed doctors and patients with it yesterday.